Looking for the fuse box in your Toyota Sienna 2011 to 2018? I'll show you exactly where it is and break down the diagram so you can find the right fuse quickly. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2011 to 2018 Toyota Sienna manages interior systems such as power seats, audio, and cabin lighting, protecting them by regulating electrical current and preventing overloads or short circuits. Engine compartment fuse box. In the 2011 Toyota Sienna, the engine compartment fuse box powers and protects critical systems like the engine, ABS, and cooling fans. It contains high-capacity fuses and relays to ensure safe and efficient operation of these components. In the 2012 and 2013 Toyota Sienna, the engine compartment fuse box manages power distribution for key systems like the engine, ABS, and fan motors. It includes high amperage fuses and relays to ensure safe and reliable operation of vital components. In the Toyota Sienna 2014 to 2018, the engine compartment fuse box supplies and protects power to essential systems like the engine, cooling fans, and ABS. It uses high-capacity fuses and relays to maintain safe and stable electrical performance under demanding conditions. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.